Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you navigate the delicate components of your laptop without causing damage. First, power off your MSI MS-1585 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is essential for your safety. Now let's focus on the screws. Flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the keyboard. There are typically 4 to 6 screws depending on your model. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, it's time to detach the keyboard. Gently insert the plastic spudger between the keyboard and the laptop chassis. Carefully pry the keyboard upwards, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the connectors underneath. As you lift the keyboard, you will notice a ribbon cable connecting it to the motherboard. This cable is delicate, so take your time. Gently lift the connector latch and slide the ribbon cable out. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have expert assistance if needed. With the keyboard removed, it's a good opportunity to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and overall performance. Now, let's prepare the new keyboard for installation. Align the ribbon cable of the new keyboard with the connector on the motherboard. Slide it in carefully and secure it by closing the latch. Once the keyboard is connected, gently press it back into place, ensuring it fits snugly into the chassis. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier. This will secure the keyboard in its position. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. After securing the keyboard, reinsert the battery and flip the laptop back over. Power it on to test the new keyboard. Ensure all keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our collection and delivery at your home service. We can assist you without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, if you're satisfied with the installation, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your MSI MS-1585. If you prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision without any surprises. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.